Right, here we go again. Here's my mobius spiral pendant. As I showed earlier, it was the ball that was printed within the pendant. It's a 5mm ball, and where's it gone? Yeah, that's right. I took my son's bicycle apart and I pulled a 6mm bearing out of the crank. There we go, you can see it side by side with a shape phase one, slightly larger, 5 to 6mm that. Silvery one's 6mm. So there's the shape phase pendant again. 6mm ball bearing, and this one's a bit more shiny and slippery than the shape phase one, but principle's the same. Little squeeze, little press, Bob's your uncle. There you go. And to be honest, I think the steel bearing inside there looks much better than the one that came with the pendant originally.